welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about Autel, more specifically the MS908S Pro scan tool. So let's get into it. Okay, here it is. I know it's upside down, but you get it. Here's the scan tool. Now, this case is freaking huge. I wanted to set this up where you can see it, where I can open these without everything spilling out, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Let me just do this one side. And see, as you can see, it says adapters is in here. And stuff fell out. This is just me showing you the stuff. Still in bags, a lot of it. I haven't even used it. I have turned it on and messed around with it, but I haven't hooked it to a vehicle yet. There's all the different cables. And I'm just going to leave them sitting off to the side because I probably ain't going to be able to get them to go in there one hand without falling right back out. Alright, there's all the adapters it comes with. I don't know if you can see all that, but there's the adapters. Let me shut this back. Like I said, I haven't used this yet. And it does come with a J box. And the TS501 TMS or TPMS tool. I'm not going to take it out. I'm just showing you that it came with it. And there's the J box. And obviously it's upside down. Of course it is. Why would it be the right way? You need this when you're programming modules. Now I'm pretty sure the only thing this will program with the scan tool itself is, I think they said BMW, Mercedes, and Audi. Let me get the scan tool out and show you a little bit more. Okay, here it is booting up. I hope it don't take too long. I only charged this once, so hopefully the battery didn't go dead already. We'll see. While that's doing that, look here. Got to give me some coffee. Oh, by the way, I got some merch. Got coffee cups and a couple shirts, I think, and hoodies. Go check it out. It's on my link, my LinkedIn or Linktree link on my what is it, about page on my YouTube. So hit the link, go to Teespring and check out coffee cups and whatever else. Obviously this ain't one, this is a Harley one, but I'll be having one of mine. It should be here anytime. Anyway, gotta have my coffee, you know that. Man, that's good. Anyway, here it is. Oh wow, look at that. It looks like it says I got 5 updates already. That's weird. I have had it for what? Maybe a month? Something like that. It had like 30 updates or 25 updates when I got it and turned it on. Now I got 5 more. But anyway, just wanted to show you. It's not obviously the VCI is in there. It's not hooked to a vehicle. I don't have a vehicle to hook it to right this moment, other than a motorcycle, and it won't hook to the motorcycle. Just wanted to show you that I did get it. I mean, I know I told everybody I got it in some live streams and Instagram posts, but just wanted to do a video of it. This is not a review of this tool. This is just showing you that I did get it. Wow, yeah, it does have quite a few updates, don't it? Anyway, I'll get to doing that maybe in a few minutes. It's pretty cool though. Like I was saying with the programming, you have to use that J-box to hook to your laptop. You got to go on, like if you're going to do a GM BCM, you got to go on GM's website, pay for their day or week or whatever you want to, and you got to download the software or the program from GM onto your laptop, and then you got to use your laptop hooked to that J-box hooked to your vehicle to program it. And you put the program that you just downloaded from GM into your new BCM that's already installed on your vehicle, your truck, or whatever it is that you have. Anyway, that's all it is. That's all I got for this one. Just wanted to show you the scan tool. Took me a long time to get one. The shop I was working at, or all the shops I've ever worked at, they supplied their own scan tools. We didn't have to buy one. And the last shop that I was at for the last 10-15 years, they had all the factory scan tools. So they didn't have like aftermarket, I guess you'd call it, scan tools like Autel and Snap-on, whatever. They had the factory ones. So I never did have to buy one. I mean, I got a couple generic code readers, but as far as a scan tool, I never had to buy one until now. Just wanted to show you. There's a lot of videos out there of this scan tool if you want to look at it. Some people using it and reviewing it. I think it, what is it, Oz Stars Cars or something like that. Glenn, I think I said his YouTube page right. He's a cool guy. He does a really good review of these scan tools. You ought to go check him out. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.